should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you.
He don't wanna be saved, don't save him.
And baby, even on a worst night,
Black people, black women, our expressions, our feelings, you see right here. You see.
I'm into you.
Listen, if you are lie down and I have X without protection, love my nephew to death. I love my nephew. I really love my nephew. But babies are expensive. It was just a bathtub. Just a regular bathtub that you'd have at your home. A regular.
My nigga don't claim him.
Let 'em wonder how we got this far. 'Cause
I'm saying that thrift shopping in America is so awesome. Thrift shopping in America is so fantastic. Listen, you cannot compare thrift shopping in America to thrift shopping in Japan. Period. Point blank. Pull on my scarf. Are you ready for the vlog? Cause we be vlogging. We be vloggy vlog. Get into the vlog.
after all this time, I'm still into you.
That is not my nigga, don't claim him. That is not my nigga.
Hi. Are you ready for the vlog? Are you ready for the vlog? Look at the vlog. Alright, so we're going to go to this spot to get some tea. I heard the tea is pretty good here. So we're going to try it out. That looks so cute. So we're having tea at this.
Do you have any sort of idea what you're going to do for
I'd be good to you 'cause I had some issues.
Alright, so we're doing breakfast at this spot. I can look cute. I look so thick and nice.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. The pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a
I'm going to the Goodwill entrance. Focus. I'm so excited. Wild, but we made it to the Goodwill and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hold on, my face will break out. But I'm over the paint inside. Look at this. Happen. This is cute. I'm not even gonna hold on my suitcase though. This is nice. I like this. Look at the other stuff that I have. This is cute for the bathroom. Wow. Anyway, another video. I like this. Never been a suitcase over that side. I really like this crop. Alright, maybe I'll open it. So I found this, which is very cool. I think I'm gonna keep it. Then I look at the map. D. I'm not with J, but the J not that cute. I love this. I'm not, but I can't manage it. I don't know, the good one. Not really give.
top. And the box are not giving at all. What it is? What are these? I mean, this one is so mad. This one is so mad. This. I'm gonna say nothing. That makes sense. I'm gonna say nothing that really makes sense.
So editing D coming in one more time. Don't mind how I'm looking. But let's talk about the thrift shops in America. Well, the thrift shops in Arkansas. So all along everyone keep on hyping it up, saying thrift shopping in America is so awesome. Thrift shopping in America is so fantastic. Listen, you cannot compare thrift shopping in America to thrift shopping in Japan. Period. Point blank. Like the quality of the stuff in Japan, the quality of the things that you're buying. Wow, I'm not going to lie. I miss Japan. I miss shopping in Japan. I miss shopping in Tokyo because what the stuff that I saw in the thrift shops in Arkansas, I was like, yeah. But I got a cute painting though. So sometimes you have to look real deep. You have to dig real deep. But yeah, it wasn't what I was expecting. So there's that. I miss Japan. I miss shopping in Japan. When I get the money, I'm going back to Japan to shop. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Alright, so we come to the bigger Goodwill. That looks much better. Let's take it better, so. Yeah. This one is given. Alright. More options. $19. Jesus. So we came out to a concert type thing today, but I have different food trucks, so we get the food from this spot. It's quite sunny, it's quite hot. Alright, so my allergies are acting up, but we're out here at a concert type thing, I believe. We'll come to watch a performance and get some food truck vibes thing going for us. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I'm quite stuffed up, but yeah.
Thank you so much for all that you do, making our jobs and assistance with helping our patients. Thank you so much.
Alright, so we have Levi's and H&M. I like Levi's, of course, and I'm going to see what's in H&M. Let's go H&M first. Now let's go Levi's first. Then H&M. Alright, now let's get H&M. I sound horrible, but we're trying to get a few stuff. We got a few stuff so far. Trying to get a few more stuff. Crop top. Let's see how much for these. $10. We got some panties. I found these in H&M and they're so comfy and cute. Ooh. Let me see if I can fit my other foot. There's someone wearing an Elmo suit. Elmo hat. And the kids are saying, hey Elmo. Someone is running them down to say, hey Elmo. Alright, so I did some shopping today. Listen, first of all, I love my nephew to death. I love my nephew. I really love my nephew. But babies are expensive. And then it's so addictive. I was buying stuff from like clothes and stuff like that. And if they buy 1 shorts, you're like, you want to buy 2 shorts, 3 shorts, 4 shorts, 5 shirts. It's like addictive. So I got him some clothes. Listen, if you are lie down and I have X without protection, be careful. Because why Pampers so expensive? Pampers are like $40, like $1. But I mean a waste. Like all I'm do, I poop on it and then throw it away. Anyways, I found the cutest sandals in H&M. I know this is very confusing, but it's just a review of all the things I have bought. I found the cutest sandals in H&M. So adorable. Cushion comfortable. My allergies are active, that's why I look so. Yeah. What else? It's just been a chill day somewhat. My allergies are active up. I kind of feel stressed out and annoyed. But yeah. Yeah, so I really love the concept of this restaurant. It's basically in a community. You have different houses on the street, and then when you step inside of one of the houses, it's a restaurant. That was pretty cool. The food was very healthy and delicious, very flavorful. It was scallops. You had some prunes, I think, on the plate, and some a green sauce, and I think it was rice. I don't remember, but the food was really good. The ambience is beautiful. So yeah. Okay, now it's a road trip day. So let's go. Now we went to this, like, it's kind of like an old town, but what we saw on the road, that was pretty cool. Like a duck is shaped in the form of a duck, but it's basically like a taxi. That's cool. This is the name of the spot, but we're going to have to talk about it a little later and get into it. Yeah. So we're going to a bathhouse like we do in Japan, but we're going to one in America. So let's see how it is. We're supposed to get like a private room, so let's see how the private room works, and we're ready to go. Okay, so we're doing a spa experience, and my face is breaking out. So we're doing a spa experience. So let's see how it works. It's supposed to be fun and good to drain my sinuses. So let's see. Editing D coming in real quick. let me just quickly, I don't want to talk too long. Let me quickly talk about this experience, the bathhouse experience. That, oh my god, my hair look a mess, but don't mind that. Yes, let's quickly talk about the bathhouse experience that's going to come up, right? So we were on our way. We were on our way to this experience. We saw it online, and I was so excited because it says bathhouse, natural, and I was thinking Japan. I was thinking about the experiences that I had in Japan when I went to onsens, and that's basically like a hot spring. It's a hot spring. Some of them are public, some you have private rooms. And I was thinking about that entire experience. You have the nature, you have the natural water flowing, hot water flowing on your body, you're among rocks, and the entire experience is so good. I hope I'm looking at the right camera, but the entire experience is so good, right? So that is what I'm thinking about, as I'm visualizing. That's what I was expecting, right? And we paid, it wasn't, I know it was below $50 for the experience, $50 USD, right? So we pay a nice amount of money if we got in. We paid, let me cut out of the creole standard English. We paid a nice amount of money. We paid a good amount of money to go in and experience this bathhouse. We paid for the private room, so we didn't want a public experience. So and I'm expecting the Japanese experience. When we went there, I should have known, don't mind my fingers, I should have known from I saw the people in the pool with their boxers on and shorts on to know that I should lower my expectations, but I still had high expectations, and I was quickly humbled. When we went into the room, realized, as you will see,
there are a couple of towels you can bring out from there, and then just a drink water for you. If you do have any issues with anything, get a bit too warm, just be here for you just in case. Just right this.
right, so she was basically showing us how we can press a button and then it released like some minerals into the water, but still it was like a bathtub. It was like a bath. So I was not expecting that at all. But here we're just showing around the room like, this is it, this is all we have. But people just wait and let me show you like the experience that I was expecting. Like I was expecting a little bit more. It was just a bathtub, just a regular bathtub that you'd have at your home, a regular bath, except you have that jacuzzi type bubble thing coming up, and I'm like, what? Like we could have stayed home. Like we never needed to pay so much for this experience, and I was so disappointed because I was thinking Japanese level stuff. And I'm going to insert some clips from an onsen experience that I went with my friends in Japan, and you see the Japanese versus the American. So as you can see, we're outside, right? You have the rocks. It's very natural. The hot spring, the hot water, the mineral water is coming down, flowing down. You have your shampoo, conditioner, so you can wash off after you finish. You have a private room for yourself with your chairs and stuff inside where you can relax. Public bath, private bath experience. It was just not what I was expecting. And in Japan, that experience for all three of us, it was around $60. $60 for the room for 1 hour. And you see how the natural thing set up. Yeah. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. I was so disappointed. I did not video much. And black people, black women, our expressions, our feelings, you see right here. When we're disappointed, you see right here. When we're happy, you see right here. When we're annoyed, you see right here. You see our facial expressions. Clock it. I was so disappointed that day. But we move. And I normally like when I take vacations, I normally like to use my last day to do some relaxation, some self-care. So that was supposed to be the self-care. Baby girl. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. D loves you. This is the lake. La 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 la.
I should be over all the butterflies.
I'm going to try this restaurant today. Here's the samurai. Hello.
But I'm into you.
He don't wanna be saved, don't save him.
And baby, even on a worst night.
Don't tell Papa. Crab meat daikon topped with spicy tuna, fresh fruit with sweet sauce. Daikon?
I should be over all the butterflies. But I'm into you.
He don't wanna be saved, don't save him.
And baby, even on a worst night, I'm into you.
That is not my nigga, don't claim him.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. With the DJ, please.
I don't know. Could I be an artist? Are you ready for the vlog? Get into it in the vloggy vlog. DJ. Alright.
Treat these girls like drugs. They must search for the tightest buff. Addicted to the squeeze and club.